You're not supposed to make love with these three type of women when I want to listen for the video. As a man, avoid these three type of women. If you don't want me your life spoil, I'm not gonna lie for you. Number one, you see all those girls who be like say they get belle for another man. Avoid those type of girls. I'm not telling you say no, make love with girl where you give belle, but you see you want another person give belle, so where carry another person picky, bro. If that can get carry to commit you, cut one of your leg come out. I'm not gonna lie for you. You just know see that girl won't scatter your full life. Most of all the girls there because of congé, they not fit hold themselves in the bone. They find men. I don't see men. They find men when we push out their tutu because of congé, but they not care the repercussion where we face the man. Oh. They not care just to take care of their congé. They're ready to knock anybody where they see. Bro, avoid that type of girl. If not, your life will spoil totally because things dey where they follow that thing. You they go knock girl where be like see carry another man picky for a belle. You not know the kind of problem where they commit you. Number two, married women. Woman they don't marry, bro. As in wash your hand. If the woman they pass, you cover your two hair like this. Come on body for married women. I'm not gonna lie for you. Big repercussion day for all these things. If you want to spoil your life totally, go do all these things. As in all these things, the inside. If you not affect the woman where they do it affect the husband and the person where they do it to see that affect the person. You don't poof many people for my time. I'm not gonna lie for you. Married woman, if you want me your life quick spoil, follow them. Woman will be like say you know where say she don't marry. You can go knock her. The thing where they come for front for you, bro, you pass, as in, you not gonna believe your eye, you not believe the way your life will take collapse, rich grand. Number three, there's so many people they do, but they don't know say something they involve. Girl, where they see a period, girl where they see a period, avoid that girl. Girl where they see a period, as in that moment in a cleansing for the girl. If you can't go sleep with that kind of girl, bro, the way your life go take day, you not go believe. Girl, when they say a period, avoid those type of girl by all means. No go allow say because of congé, you can't go put yourself a problem for this three type of girls so that list for you. So you better make you buy premium soap, they go do soapy. That one is more better than say your full life, your yanga go, just because of congé where they do you. I'm not gonna lie for you, this three type of girls on that list, so avoid them. If you did do anyone before, bro, go for cleansing. Go sell me they flog you where flog the spirit where the entire body come out. Because now big, as in the repercussion where they come for you, you're not gonna believe.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.